So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a 3D area chart on Keynote to a Keynote presentation. So once you open up Keynote, go to the top here and press on chart. Make sure that 3D is selected. So if you're an interactive, for example, just press on 3D. Now simply go to the third row right here where there's these two options right here. If you're looking for an area chart, simply just press on one of these or just go down to whatever you're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and press this chart right here, which of course is an area chart. To verify that, press on the chart right here, go to the bottom right to where it says chart type and make sure that area is selected. And what this basically does, if you were to play around with this, you can kind of see the three-dimensional view of this area chart here in your presentation. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to add a 3D area chart on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.